Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is going to be mainly for a plasma cutter. So if you're a laser engraver, you might pick up a few tips if you've been watching my channel long enough. I just do 2 videos trying to correct a DXF file for a young man that emailed me and started thinking, it'd be a lot easier just to draw one from scratch. So I've got my fire pit that I'm going to make is going to be 30 inches by 18 inches. So I made a rectangle that size. I'm going to go to range and I'm going to convert it to a curve. I'm going to select the bottom 2 nodes and I'm going to add nodes. I'm going to add like that many nodes. Corel always does this, so I'm going to delete these nodes. I'm going to grab the center nodes, leaving the 2 center ones. I think I've got let's see what I got my nudge distance set on. I've got my nudge distance just set on 1/2 of an inch. So we're going to grab these nodes right here, and I'm going to cursor up. Twice is 1 inch. That's 2 inches. That's 3 inches. And this is going to be our legs. Now we can delete these center ones. Grab these 4 and right click and convert them to curves. So this is going to probably take quite a few videos. So I'm just going to do part of this right now. And that looks pretty good for a leg. Now to make them exactly equal, and this is what I like about Corel, Control D, duplicate, and then let's mirror it. And then we can let's zoom in here a little bit. And let's take and delete with the virtual segment delete key. And you don't even have to do this. I was just thinking you're going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And you've got now basically a node-free fire pit. So we'll just delete that one. And we'll put this one in the center of the page. And we'll start working on it on the second video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.